Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Well, just got done working on farm truck, but I made a mess. Now, how many of you use a sorbent to clean up your mess? Well, sorbent costs a lot of money and I've used it at work. It's just really hard to clean up even after you clean up. So, I use cat litter. Yep, but a friend of mine gave me a bag of cat food. It's non-clumping. But it's perfect for absorbing oil, in this case, mess from the brakes. I want to show you how you can get it really to clean up. So I sprinkled it down in both puddles. And the easiest way I find is to just work it in with your feet. It helps to absorb, it breaks it down, the litter. And I tell you what, you do this for a while, and it will really absorb in the oil, in this case, well, this combination of oil and brake powder. Now this was pitch black when I put it down. You see how clean it's coming? Simple. Very simple. So everyone, if we make a mess, we got some cat litter that you can spare. Or if you go out and get your own cat litter, if you know you're going to be in a messy project like I've seen some. There's nothing like having gear oil all over a new concrete floor. Or maybe in an old shop. Slick. The greasers only make it, get away from me, you asshole. Sorry. It just makes a mess. Cat litter is the answer. It's cheap. Well, if inflation is maybe not as cheap as it used to be, but it's just cheaper than regular assortment. So that's your tip for the day, and I'll see you next time here on Lynn's Homestead.